myself Dr. Neetu Singh, Assistant Professor in Physics, Government Nagarjun PG College of Science, Raipur, Chhattisgarh. Today I am going to discuss with you electromagnetic field of a uniformly moving point charge. This topic is from Paper 1 Electrodynamics, Unit 4 of MSc Physics second semester. Now, contents I will discuss introduction and mathematical expression. In introduction, first I would like to describe what is point charge. Point charge is a charge which effect is negligible on other charge. Whose effect is negligible on other charge. Uniform motion. When a charge or particle is moving with constant velocity, then it is said to be uniformly moving. Now, mathematical expression. The electric field and magnetic field of a point charge in motion are given by two equations, ERT and BRT, where ERT is equal to Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught R minus RB bracket close 1 minus beta square upon R minus R dot beta whole cube plus R in bracket R cross R minus R beta cross beta dot upon C R minus R dot beta whole bracket close. Then similarly we can write the value of BRT. For a uniform motion, differential of beta is equal to 0 and taking B retarded is equal to beta retarded is equal to beta. After applying these conditions, we get the electric field ERT and magnetic field BRT, which is shown in these two equations, where ERT is equal to Q 1 minus beta square upon 4 pi epsilon naught R minus R beta R minus upon R minus R dot beta cube bracket close. The above equation represents the electromagnetic field of the point charge in retarded position of charge. It is desirable to represent these fields in terms of present position of the charge. For the purpose, we consider the geometrical configuration of figure. In figure, P is equal to field point. We can see here P, and A prime is equal to source point, present position. A is equal to retarded position. A prime A is equal to beta R dot. Theta prime is equal to angle between V and R prime, and theta is equal to angle between V and R. So we are observing a triangle A prime and P. So we are having the value of R minus R beta retarded is equal to R minus R beta is equal to R, and B is equal to R prime sin beta prime is equal to R prime sin theta prime is equal to R sin theta. After that, we calculate as follow: R prime sin theta prime is equal to R sin theta. This implies B into R sin theta prime is equal to B R sin theta. We can put all the values and we can get the equation number 8. R prime square is equal to minus R minus beta dot R whole square is equal to beta square R square minus beta dot R whole square. Now we can substitute all these values and we get R square minus 2R prime R bracket in bracket beta dot R bracket close plus R square beta square is equal to R square. Similarly, we can substitute equation 8, and from 9 we get R prime square minus R square beta dot beta square into R plus beta square plus R whole square is equal to R square minus beta square R square plus beta dot R whole square. So we can put the value, all these values, and we can obtain that R square minus R beta whole square retarded is equal to R square in bracket 1 minus beta square sin square theta. Substituting value from equation 7 and 11, we get the electric field ERT is equal to Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught R 1 minus beta square upon R cube 1 minus beta square sin square theta 3 to in bracket close power 3 by 2. Similarly, making substitution in equation of magnetic field, we get magnetic field as BRT is equal to mu naught CQ upon 4 pi beta cross R in bracket 1 minus beta square r cube in bracket 1 minus beta square sin square theta whole power 3 by 2. Thank you very much.